1,896 miles on a pretty much stock Road Glide Special. It's got the stock pipes. It's a really nice burgundy color. Looks like they inverted the mirrors on it and moved the bars up. It's got custom grips and docking hardware. And that's pretty much it for the custom aspect. If you're looking for a project that you can throw some of your own custom accessories on, look no further. It's a little dirty. We had just gotten it. It's going to go through detail and then they'll put it up on the floor. It's in great shape. Road Glides are the touring bike of choice for a lot of long distance touring riders. And if you like this dark red, now's the time. Come on and take a test ride.